everybody. I'm Vipul Jain. I'm the CEO of CK Birla Hospitals. We are a group of 6 hospitals across Calcutta, Jaipur, Delhi, and Gurgaon. And it's a very proud moment for us to be part of this conference and represent the CK Birla Hospitals at this conference. Thank you. So I think one reform by the government or the opportunity which we have as a country is the whole electronic health exchange uh, and the digitization of health records. Uh, each individual in this country has the right to own their own medical records and access them at any point in time. The government has set up a mechanism through the Abha ID and through various initiatives where hospitals, both government and private hospitals, and each and every diagnostic company will have to share the records of the patient with the patient, and if the patient chooses, with others in the industry. This can fundamentally bring transparency of how care has been delivered. This can bring continuity of care, and for a patient, a lot more power and right in their hands. So I think increasingly what we are seeing, the single word is trust, right? The gap between the patients and the healthcare providers, I think the trust deficit is increasing and widening. I do believe the core of patient centric care is what I will call very, very simple family test. So, if your father, mother, if your family member would have got admitted to a hospital, right? What is the quality of care? What is the quality of experience? What are the clinical outcomes that you would have expected or wanted to happen? I think that is the defining part of patient centric care. We as CK Birla hospitals are making all our efforts across the value chain to do this, and to each and every patient across our hospitals. And for me, it will be one element that will drive trust. It will drive better quality outcomes, and I think patient safety at the very core of it.